If you've been struggling with a Lesser Banishing Ritual, the Pentagram, or you don't even know where to start, this video is your complete 90-day roadmap from absolute beginner to confident practitioner. I'm going to show you exactly what to practice each week, the common mistakes that sabotage your results, and a visualization technique that changes everything. Traditionally, the LBRP is taught and practiced as a single flowing sequence. It has many steps and a detailed order of operations. It's a very powerful sequence when practiced confidently, but when you're just starting out, it can be intimidating. In this breakdown, we're keeping the lineage intact, but pacing the learning. Each week isolates one pillar of the work: posture, breath, vibration, visualization, and flow, so you can master the fundamentals before stitching them together. Think of it as scales before songs, short daily reps that build real confidence. Keep in mind, there is no absolute right or wrong method to start learning this ritual. This is just one way of breaking the LBRP down into bite-sized pieces. If you've been struggling to tie all the pieces together, then this video will help you. By the end of this roadmap, you'll be performing the LBRP with the same confidence as adepts who've practiced for years. Let's get started. Here's the problem many beginners face. They watch a tutorial, try the LBRP once or twice, get confused by the Hebrew names or the visualizations, and then give up, thinking ceremonial magic isn't for them. But the LBRP is the foundational ritual of Western ceremonial magic. The Golden Dawn designed it as a gateway practice for a reason. Master this and you unlock everything else. I've spent years performing this ritual daily, and I've broken down a progression that takes you from "I have no idea what I'm doing" to "this is second nature." This isn't a theory video, this is an actual week-by-week practice schedule that works. And if you want access to all of the Golden Dawn rituals with the same level of detail, I'll share that at the end. The roadmap breaks into 3 30-day phases. Phase 1, Foundation. You'll learn the physical movements, memorize the words, establish the basic energy flow, and get your imagination warmed up. No pressure on perfection, just building muscle memory. Phase 2, Energetic Mastery. This is where the magic actually starts happening. You'll add the visualizations, feel the energy shift in your space, and start experiencing real results. Phase 3, Advanced Integration. You'll refine your technique, customize the ritual to your practice, and reach the point where the LBRP becomes as natural as breathing. Here's a breakdown of each phase with exactly what to do. Phase 1, Foundation. Week 1 through 2. Attaching breathwork to visualization and the Kabbalistic cross. Start with the fourfold breath. This pattern is often called box breathing. I now call it the diamond breath. The goal here is to visualize the air you are breathing as crystalline stardust. The diamond dust vapor floating all around you is chi, prana, ruach, whatever you want to call it. Inhale for a 4 count and imagine filling your body from crown to soles. Hold for a 4 count and feel that charge settle into the core, steady, quiet, present. Within you, the chi takes form. Your entire physical body is now glowing brilliant white with chi. Exhale for a 4 count as light radiates out, expanding your aura. Hold with empty lungs for a 4 count to seal it. Mind's eye on the image, awareness locked. Repeat this pattern over and over. Inhale to gather, hold to stabilize, exhale to project, hold to integrate. The breath becomes your metronome. It synchronizes posture, vibration, visualization, and presence into one smooth current. Then combine the breath and the visualization with the Kabbalistic cross. Start here, just this section. Don't even touch pentagrams yet. Every morning, stand facing east and practice. Touch your forehead and say Ate. Touch your chest, Malkut. Right shoulder, Vegabura. Left shoulder, Vegadula. Clasp hands at chest, Leolam, Amen. Do this 5 to 10 times until the words flow naturally. Do not rush, slow down, feel each gesture. Try using the diamond breath along with it. Inhale the light, hold the light, say the words, empty the lungs, start again. Week 3, add the pentagrams in the circle. Now you're ready for the 4 pentagrams and to connect them with a circle of white light. Start in the east. Draw the pentagram from bottom left to top. Vibrate Yod-He Vav-He. Turn to the south. Draw another pentagram and vibrate Adonai. Turn to the west. Draw another pentagram and vibrate Ehyeh. Turn to the north. Draw another pentagram and vibrate Agla. Don't worry about visualizing the pentagrams yet, just get the physical pattern of the pentagram down, and when you're drawing it, imagine light shooting out of your fingertips. You are using the light you have just inhaled as ink. Your arm should trace the pentagram like you're carving it in the air. Now you might naturally start visualizing lines trailing behind your motions. If that happens, just go with it because the process is working. But don't force the visualization at this stage. The priority is anchoring the physical movement into your body. Once you have the pentagrams down, practice visualizing a beam of white light and connect the 4 pentagrams with a circle of white light around you. Week 4, the Archangel Invocations. Final piece of phase 1. After your 4 pentagrams, face east and say, before me, Raphael. Behind me, Gabriel. On my right hand, Michael. At my left hand, Uriel. For about me flames the pentagram, and within me shines the 6-rayed star. By day 30, you should be able to perform the entire ritual from memory without looking at notes. That's your only goal for phase 1. Phase 2, Energetic Mastery, days 31 through 60. This is where it gets real. You know the movements, now we add the power. Week 5 through 6, Visualization Breakthrough. When you draw each pentagram, see it, not with your physical eyes, with your mind's eye. The pentagram should appear as blazing blue-white flame, about 3 feet in diameter, hanging in the air where you drew it. Don't try to see the whole pentagram at once. See the lines you're drawing as you draw it. The flame follows your fingertip. Then when you have drawn the shape to completion, see the full pentagram glowing before you in blue flame. Practice this for 2 weeks. If you can't visualize perfectly, that's fine. Even a faint impression works. The energy responds to intention, not perfect imagery. Week 7, Energy Circulation. When you vibrate the divine names, Yod-He Vav-He, Adonai, Ehyeh, Agla, feel the vibration in your body. The sound should resonate from your core, not just your throat. Breathe deep, vibrate from your diaphragm, and feel the name ripple through your space. Words are vehicles for energy. The vibration is the magic. Your vocal resonance matters. Create space in your body by breathing from your diaphragm. The stomach expands as you inhale and contracts as you exhale. Week 8, the Archangels appear. Now when you call the Archangels, visualize them. Raphael before you, yellow robes, air element, healing energy. Gabriel behind, blue robes, water element, emotional clarity. Michael, right, red robes, fire element, protection and strength. Uriel, left, green robes, earth element, grounding, stability. Don't stress about getting every detail perfect. Feel their presence. That's what matters. By day 60, you should feel the energy shift when you perform the ritual. Your space should feel clearer, lighter, protected. If you don't feel this yet, keep going. It's coming. You're now in the top 10% of practitioners. Most people never make it this far. Here's how you become truly advanced. Week 9 through 10, Refinement. Go back through each element. Are your pentagrams precise? Do your vibrations resonate clearly? Can you hold the visualizations throughout? Do you feel connected to the archangels? This is polish time. Record yourself, watch it back, fix the weak points. Week 11, Personalization. The LBRP is a framework. Now make it yours. Maybe you add a specific intention before starting. Maybe you adjust the timing. Maybe you incorporate another particular breathing pattern. If this clicked, you'll love what's coming up. I'm in the process of putting together an online course that walks you through every single core ritual of the Hermetic Order of the Golden Dawn. Step by step, clean lineage, no fluff. It'll essentially be a collection of guided ceremonies like this LBRP video, but even higher quality and truer to the Golden Dawn style with the traditional directions for drawing pentagrams and sacred shapes. More on this soon. Until next time, if you're starting the 90-day plan today, type day 1 in the comments so I can cheer you on. And if you've been doing the LBRP for years, what's the single most important correction that leveled you up? Your answer might help someone who's just starting, so if you feel led, share. Hit like to banish the algorithm fog and subscribe for the next right. Thank you for watching.